So, speaking of credit lines, we have seen that you would need two credit lines, one for the initials, one for the variations. The credit lines may be secured by you or may be granted to you by your broker. What happens if you're trading over the counter? When you trade over the counter, the flexibility of the broker is larger. Why is that? Because you may trade for volumes lower than one lot. Remember, on the aluminum, one lot is 25 tons. But if it is an over-the-counter, any broker may trade for you a smaller size, a different to the 25 tons, which implies one lot in the aluminum. The other thing, if it is an OTC, that the risk is you have the risk towards the bank, and the bank has the risk towards you, so they might give you a credit line to operate, or perhaps the broker will ask you also credit lines for initials, credit lines for variations, but it can happen that the parameter the broker uses for the initial line, for the credit lines for the initial, is different to the around 7%, which is $174 per ton on the parameter of the LME. So what shall I do? Go OTC or go LME Clear? That pretty much depends on your risk appetite and the benefits you're gonna get from your broker, and mainly who your broker is. And if you ask me an advice, it's very difficult to say, because running that kind of risk will pretty much depend on your relationship with the institutions. Let me tell you, I've gone through situations where nobody would have expected Lehman Brothers or Refco to go into bankruptcy, and they went into. So it pretty much depends on your evaluation on the bank and the relations of benefits and risk. And this is something very, very private concerning to each particular case and any company. So remember, at the time you choose your broker, there are many variables, and you have to take into account all of them. We continue next time. Thank you.